Hello everyone, this is Suvanksya Nayak of class 10A. Today I have made a TLM on chapter agriculture and my topic is types of farming. Now what is agriculture? The science or practice of farming including cultivation of soil for growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide food, wool and other products is called agriculture. Come to types of farming. Over years, cultivation methods in India have changed significantly depending upon the characteristics of physical environment, technological know-how, and socio-cultural practices. Farming varies from subsistence to commercial farming. At present, in different parts of India, the following farming systems are practiced. First is primitive subsistence farming, second is intensive subsistence farming, and the third is commercial farming. Now come to what is primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in few places in India. It is practiced on small patches with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dhow and digging sticks and family or community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of soil and the suitability of other environmental conditions. It is also called slash and burn cultivation. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce crops to sustain their family. When soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and start cultivating in the same way on a fresh patch of land. This allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil. Productivity in this type of farming is low as fertilizers or modern inputs are not used. Below images given here are examples of primitive subsistence farming. Now let's see the key points of primitive subsistence farming. Our next type of farming is intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming where higher doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Though the right of inheritance leading to the division of land among successive generations has rendered landholding size uneconomical, the farmers continue to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of alternative source of livelihood. Thus, there is enormous pressure on the agricultural land. The given image here is an example of intensive subsistence farming. Now let's see the key points of intensive subsistence farming. Our next type of farming is commercial farming. In this type of farming, higher doses of modern inputs like HIV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides are used in order to obtain higher productivity. The degree of commercialization varies from region to region. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Punjab and Haryana, but in Orissa it is a subsistence crop. The given images below are the examples of commercial farming. Now let's see the key points of commercial farming. There is another commercial farming which is known as plantations. Plantations is a type of commercial farming. It is the type of farming in which a single crop is grown on a large area. The plantations has an interface of agriculture and industry. Plantations use capital intensive inputs with the help of migrant laborers. All the produce is used as raw material in respective industries. Tea plantations in Assam and North Bengal, coffee plantations in Karnataka, banana plantations in southern part of India, rubber plantations in Kerala, bamboo plantation in northeast India, etc. are some important plantations crop grown in India. Since the production is mainly for market, a well-developed network of transport and communication connecting the plantation areas, processing industries, and market is present. Given images here are the example of plantation agriculture. Now let's see the key points of plantation agriculture. Here comes last but not the least conclusion. On overall view, India has always been benefited by agriculture. Though the future of India is industrialization, the contribution of agriculture would always prove to be vital for making India a powerful and stable economy in the future. This is a famous quote given by George Washington, which states that I would rather be on my farm than be emperor of the world. This shows his love towards nature and agriculture. Thank you.